question number 1 again. Every month, the Hubbly Bubbly company advertises on TV. They want to know if the number of TV commercials has a positive effect on their sales of gum. The data for the past 12 months is listed below. A. Using the Cartesian plane below, draw a scatter plot for 3 marks. Notice this data is unsorted. You have to sort it out. Sorted it. Notice the 6 was with the 5, 6 is still with the 5. Last point, 16 is with the 10, 16 is with the 10. Keep the y's with the x's and sort. Then I want to plot all this. I'm going from 6 all the way up to 16. I'm going to start at 0 and go to 16 on the x's, and on the y's, I'm starting at 0 and going all the way up to, what's my highest value? 14. I'm going to go up to 16 for the y values as well, like that. And then we're going to plot. I have 6, 5 right here. That's my first point, 7, 6. My second point, 8, 8, 9, 10, 9, 11, 10, 8, 11, 8, 11, 12, 15, 14, 15, 9, and 16, 10. This is my scatter plot. This is the scatter plot. Let's move on to part B. Find the equation of 2 different linear regression lines using the Mayer method and the median method. Graph the 2 lines on the grid with the scatter plot. I'm starting with the Mayer method. Here's my data sorted. The Mayer method, I'm going to break it into 2. I'm going to take the average of the first half of these x values. The mean test results in yellow. If I average these out, that gives me 7.83 repeating. The mean for the final marks in yellow, I'm going to average those out. So add them all together, divide by 6. That gives me 8.16 repeating. Then I'm going to take the mean of the results in red. So I add these all together, divide by 6, that gives me 13. Then I do the mean final marks that are in red, add these together, divide by 6, and that gives me 10.16 repeating. These are my 2 points, and I'm looking for a line that goes through these 2 points. The delta x for these 2 points are the 13 take away the 7.83 repeating is 5.16 repeating. The delta y is 10.16 repeating, take away the 8.16 repeating is 2. The a is delta y over delta x, which is 2 over 5.16 repeating, which gives me 0.387097. The b is y minus ax, which is, I'm using this as my point, right? So it's y minus ax. This is my y, 10.16 repeating, take away the a times the corresponding x, the 13. That gives me 5.1344086. My equation of my line is 0.387097x plus 5.1344086. The y-intercept, we already know, is 5.1344086. And remember, the x-intercept is negative b over a. Negative 5.1344086 divided by 0.37097 is negative 13.263889. Notice I can't really get to that x-intercept. What's the value of the y when the x is 16? That gives me 11.327957. Let's find those 2 points. I'm looking for 16, 11.327957 right here. And I'm looking for the y-intercept, which is 5.1344. I can draw a line like this. That's our line of best fit using the Mayer method. Now we want to use the median method. I'm going to divide my data, my sorted data, into 3. And I've got
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
12. Divides nicely 4 in each group. I'm going to make a yellow group of 4 values, and then a red group of 4 values at the end. And in the middle, I'm going to have a blue group. The median method, I'm going to find the medians in each group. I want to find them what's between 7 and 8. That's the average of 7 and 8, 7.5. The average of these ones is 7. These are already in order, but these ones, notice they're not. I'm going to sort these ones. I'm going to sort these ones. Between 9 and 10 is 9.5. And here, between 8 and 10 is 9. Then down here, between 15 and 15 is 15. Between 10 and 12 is 11. Now, I would like to take the average of these medians to get a point. The mean of the 3 medians, if we're looking at the commercials, I add those together, divide by 3, that gives me 10.6 repeating. And I do the same thing over here, add them together, divide by 3, that gives me 9. I'm looking for the equation of a line that passes through this point, but has the same slope as a line that passes through the first and last of the medians. To find the slope, I'm going to use the delta x, which is 15, take away 7.5, is 7.5. Then the delta y is 11 take away 7. That gives us 4 divided by 7.5 is 0.53 repeating. That's our slope. B is equal to y minus ax. To get the b value, I'm using this point. The y is 9, and the x is the 10.6 repeating. 9 minus the a, 0.53 repeating, times the x value, the 10.6 repeating, gives us 3.31 repeating, which gives us the equation y is equal to 0.53x plus 3.31 repeating. The y-intercept is 3.31, which is about, this is 3.5, so 3.31. So around here somewhere. Can't use the x-intercept. I'm going to look at when x is equal to 16. When x is 16, we end up getting 0.53 repeating times 16 plus 3.31 repeating gives us 11.84 repeating. 11.5. There's 12. 11.84 is about there. I'm going to draw a line between those 2 points, between the 3.31 repeating and the 11.84 repeating. We get this nice purple line. It's not terribly far off from the Mayer line. This is the median line, and this is the Mayer line of best fit. C, should trends continue, which method would yield the best results if 24 commercials were aired in the same month? How many cases of gum would they expect to sell? If they continued with this using the Mayer, using this equation, replacing the x with 24 would give us 14.42. These are thousands of cases. We would expect 14,424.73 cases. Using the median method, y is equal to 0.53 repeating times 24 plus 3.31 repeating. That gives us 16.1, which is a lot more cases. So that's 16,111.11 cases. The median method would sell us more cases of gum. And that's it for question number 1 from the long answer section. Have a good day.